Oh,
Oh,
someone please. Oh,
Hello, everyone.
hi.
oh. So, I share my screen. Thank you for attending this meeting. And first, I ask Satarupa to join this meeting. Okay, so there are several comments that only Satarupa and I accept the suggestion. So I'd like Hiroyuki to accept this suggestion first. First of all, here the private consideration section and a short clarification in sections 1.3. This is regards this comment, but for readers less familiar with the variety of flows, it might be helpful to map these flows to different use cases or user experiences. And also, he says, while this document is mostly security focused, it may also be worth spelling out privacy considerations, particularly in light of GDPR and right to be forgot. Yeah. So I add the last part, I represent the importance of privacy considerations raised in this and other comments. To address this, I will add a new section 1.4 covering privacy topics. And also, I will add a short clarification in one section 1.3 stating that this white paper focuses exclusively on the authorization code flow for user authentication. So I'd like you to confirm these changes. First, 1.3, the changes like this. Regarding Mobile Connect, in this white paper, we adapt only the authorization code flow with PXC as the authentication flow for users in alignment with current best practices defined by OIDC, RC 9700, and API. Other OAuth flows exist but are intended for different use cases and are therefore out of scope for the authentication model addressed here. Yeah, like this. How do you think about this, Yuki?
Yes, that looks good to me.
Okay, so I accept this suggestion. Regarding here. No. And also, I the privacy considerations that authentication and authorization. Yeah, there are discussion about the privacy considerations. Authentication authorization systems inevitably process information related to individuals and workloads to minimize privacy risks and support compliance with regulations such as the GDPR. This white paper adopts the following principle, and there are 4 principles: that data minimization and purpose limitation and right to leisure and secure handling of identity data. And these considerations do not replace formal privacy or regulatory requirements, but they provide practical guidance for designing authentication and authorization mechanisms that reduce unnecessary exposure of personal data. Yeah. What do you think about this?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so just this. Okay, done. And next one is add caption. And this is just a small things, I think. How to delete? I don't know. So next one is this figure lacks its caption, and I added its caption. That means there are 2 use cases for each pattern, and we write 2 figures, but only 1 caption. And then Takashi says that we should add caption for each figure. So I add caption. Like, for example, advanced pattern with zero trust architecture and workload authentication. And use case 1, figure 422. This is for use case 2, like this. Does it make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. So, maybe, yeah, this is just a clarification. So, I didn't assign task for you, but yeah. And yeah, also this one, just replace the compromised workload with privilege escalation. This is for the Kyohei's comments. So yeah, it's just to check one. And yeah, this is the description for each allow. That means, for example, basic requirements. Oh no. Overall pictures. Overall picture. Yeah, several reviewers said it's difficult for understand each figure for first time. So I add the caption for each allow like this. For example, for one call without access token, the browser sends a request to workload 1 using a session identifier such as a cookie without including an access token. And second, issue ID token and access token, workload 1 acting as the OIDC RP initiates the OIDC authorization code flow to request an ID token and access token. The OIDC OP issues these tokens after successful authentication and user consent. And the next one is delegate authorization. Workload 1 act as a PEP since the user identity. I changed this description, but yeah, I explain later this changes. And the number 4 call with access token. This is optional. What is optional is adding the access token to the API call is optional. And also the delegate authorization. And regarding the figure 322, first, issue external access token here. The API client acting as the host client initiates the OIDC authorization code flow to request an external access token. The OIDC will be issued the token after successful authentication or user consent. And then call with external access token. The API client sends a request table called Y using the external access token. And the others are the same as the use case one. Regarding the advanced pattern, we only add add some other comments. And that focus only the advanced pattern and first this issue SB and also call with internal access token with MTLS. And also use case number 2, we add these differences. What do you think about this caption hierarchy?
Yes, this caption looks good.
Okay, so down. And okay, hello, Starupa. And I'd like to discuss. Can you hear me, Starupa? Okay.
Can you please repeat that?
Okay. I just described the previous meetings task assignments. So there is no progress from the previous meeting. And I'd like to discuss about something from here.
So about the appendix, I still have to work on it. I did not get much time last week, but I will positively complete it by tomorrow. I will let you know in the group. And I have updated that the format.
Here, right?
Yeah, I have updated it.
Here? Okay.
This I will complete by tomorrow, Wednesday.
Okay. And regarding change format, you already finished, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So first we check this one. Add it like this, right?
Yeah, this one.
Is it necessary to double check these references are enough for the new one?
I have changed as per the previous one, but you can revise it once, no problem. But it's correct as per, like, I have revised it before changing. Once.
So first, I delete that these references, and because this reference is not already
needed.
not needed. So
Okay.
is it
It is included here.
Okay. So
it should be. Should I change it from my end?
just a moment. Okay. So I first accept this changes.
So
I'll delete the 3 references. First one is the HIPAA. Where is that? Here.
yeah, this one. 23 and 24 needs to be deleted. And 27 as well, I think.
27?
No, 25.
26, right?
Let me check it again. United Kingdom Parliament. Yeah. 26.
Okay, so that's all for I think. So I delete the previous references. And I'd like to check with you that is there any unnecessary references? For
Sure.
example, you previously add this IT and access management one,
Yeah.
also this one, but you already changed the new 1.2 sections.
Yes.
So kindly you refer to these references, not?
No. It's like these two are IAM specific, but now we have more cloud native specific. So
Mhm.
those examples are not from here, but still I will go through them once again. If like anything is there from these two references, I will let you know. But I will have to go through it again because it was
Okay.
really long back.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you. So this is done. And I'd like to discuss the big changes I made. That is restructure the requirement parts. As you already see that, but there are several comments that regarding each requirement that it is not for authentication requirements or it is not for workload authentication. But we first, how to say, categorize the components for example, workload authentication and one for user authentication and one for authorization like that. So yeah, there are mismatch of requirements to place some section. So I changes that like this. Under the basic or advanced requirements, first there are common requirements, and I set the requirements for each component. For example, workload 1 requirements and workload 2 requirements and OIDCOP requirements and PDP requirements. That is based on the figure we write before that. So also maybe audience can easy to understand which requirements are related to which component. And here also we don't categorize these each specific requirement is for authorization or is for authentication. So we don't make the misunderstanding for the requirements. What do you think about this categorize? you guys? For example, hierarchy.
Yeah, that's more understandable for readers, I think. So I agree.
Yeah, I also agree. This looks more readable and more easy to understand.
Okay, thank you very much. So yeah, I already moved all requirements for these sections for suggesting mode. So yeah, first I'd like to delete and accept this suggestion first. Just a moment. Where is that? Maybe this one, I don't know. Yeah, maybe all changes are made, I think. And so we delete the previous requirements, such as this authentication requirements. We already maybe I think it's maybe in this section, but only in the advanced requirements. Yeah. All comments are moved to the new one, I think. Maybe not all one. So yeah, just very additional comment. Just can we, how to say, can we add some not clear font? We have to change font like these are deleted, but there is no font, right? Do you know about that?
Oh, yeah. You want to change the font, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and there is
And
Arial
yeah,
written in the tab, right? Arial.
Arial.
No.
Here?
Yeah.
Not font, but how to say? Write the line for that means these are deleted.
That
Maybe here, yeah.
yeah, strike through.
Yes, thank you very much. Because there are several comments remains, so yeah. Okay, and then I'd like to accept this suggestion. And also delete the authentication requirements, validation requirements. Yep. After these comments all resolved, I'd like to delete this expression. Yeah, that's okay. So I'd like to check from upper one. How about this task hierarchy? Do you have any idea for writing the specific part without dividing it into server and agent?
Oh, sorry, I couldn't have a time recently, so
Okay.
I think this weekend, until weekend, I have time.
Okay, thank you very much. So yeah, so for now, yeah. So the next meeting. Okay. So next one is the requirements description error. I see. Yeah, this is regarding the. Do you know what this means?
Could you explain this
Okay.
comment?
This is the Evans comment that authorization approaches was discussed in RBAC, REBAC, ABAC. But I say that there are already requirements that should adapt ABAC or REBAC for fine-grained authorization. But there are maybe we should add something more to audience can select the where is the best match. So yeah, we'd like to this one. I will touch on how to use them differently. So yeah, I'd like you to add some more sentences regarding ABAC and RBAC. Currently, just said that just RBAC is not good. And I'd like to add the ABAC when we adapt the ABAC and when we adapt the REBAC. Just a few sentences.
Yeah, I tried. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think in my opinion, it depends on the application use case. So
Yeah, maybe we should write about that. Case it depends on the use case. Yeah.
Okay.
And next one is here. Yeah, subject check. Maybe this is a this is power to the Takashi's comment that we should add subject check for this access token check. And previously we discussed about the scope validation regarding maybe yes, subject validation here. Cannot. Scope validation. Oh, so we already added. I see. Yeah, but I understand that the subject check is some kind of the authentication. I see. I cannot realize this. expression. Okay, so we'd like to discuss, we should add subject validation here, or subject validation are classified as authorization. That's difficult, I think. Yeah, I write about that. Just check the currently active or not. And of course, regarding the subject can perform action for some resource, that is classified as authorization. But what is the activity principle check? Is this written here or not? Do you have any idea, Hiroyuki? We should delete this one or delete this one.
I think the subject is checked in the resource server, but also it's uses by PDP for fine-grained authorization. Typically, so yeah, both components needs subject validation. My understanding.
Yeah, but if we write this subject validation here, we don't need to mention here.
Okay, so these are not included here. Yeah, so.
Yeah, this active check is the authentication or not. Is this authorization or authentication?
Do you know RFC something like current best practice described as this check?
Just a moment, maybe the access token JOT RFC, which number is that?
Token JOT.
Maybe here. JOT profile for sequential access token.
9068.
Yeah, I found that, but I don't know if it is correct or not.
Subject. The subject is required.
This profile mandates the presence of the subscript in every JOT access token. Hmm. Yeah, I think we should press here and we should delete here. So if you double check this and there are some question for these changes, please add some comments for here. Okay.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
it's good idea. Good idea, I think.
So apparently that is, and so they are not. This is. And also, mm, just add this. Yeah, I don't have. Yeah, that's all I think. Yeah. So, all down. Okay, so next one is dot clarification. Does the browser send workload? I see. These are just a small one. And the comment from Takashi is that the browser send workload information and is not correct. So I just rewrite that instead the user agent sends session identifier such as a cookie that the workload used to look up and manage the server-side session, and the user agent doesn't send workload information. What do you think about this change? Previously, there are no description here.
Works. Right, successes.
I'm okay with this change.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also okay.
Mm-hmm. So I accept suggestion now. The next one is the comment from Takashi. What is the role of the API server? And I add here, which sends an access token. The code workload acts as the API server, like this. And Takashi resolved the comments. So what do you think about this?
Okay.
Okay. How about Karupa?
Yeah, this is okay.
Well, I accept this suggestion. And next one is other section for actors here. This is for this Evans comment that there are several actors here, so I just add the actor in white paper, like I think maybe 1.4, I think. Yeah, here. Storypa already checked that, and I'd like Hiroyuki to check this. Sentences that to clarify the context in which authentication and authorization are applied. This white paper assumes several types of actors commonly found in systems. Maybe this kind of native is not good for CNCF output. We should use the and there is end users, internal users such as support or operations staff and administrators who manage policies and system configuration, and non-human actors such as workloads or devices. These actors interact with the system in different ways and therefore require different authentication and authorization mechanisms. This distinction also helps explain threat model addressed by the basic and advanced pattern described there in the white paper. What do you think about this description? And maybe there are some comments are added. So here I'd like to address this comment after this meeting. But for now, there's what do you think about this actor's description? Hiroyuki?
I think that's good.
Okay, so I accept this suggestion here. Yeah, that is just privacy considerations. Okay, so this was done. And the next one is the change the description. What to change? Yes. These Takashi and Evan say that this excellent is not good here. And also, yeah, we said that the audience, for audience, it is difficult to choose the right implementation. But that is not because there are many excellent implementations, but there are many implementation and architecture options are available, and each with different strengths and trade-offs. As a result, selecting the appropriate approach can be challenging, particularly for practitioners who are new to authentication of such technology. Yeah, we changed some logic here. What do you think about this?
Yeah, I think it's okay. It's clear to understand.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay, so I accept these changes. Yep. That is all for the tasks previously assigned, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I'd like to review the new ones for this time. The changing. What is that?
Oh, sorry, I added it.
Okay.
So
Dictionary and end user. Okay.
yeah,
I'd
Yeah.
like to check end user is 2, and also there are several hyphen user.
oh,
But this end hyphen user is for the role of the YDC. We'd like to just appears in the glossary. And user is just this 2, I see. I think, yeah, this is fine. How about this one, Satarupa?
Yeah, this is fine. Was there any reason that hyphen was there?
I'm familiar to some readers who aren't in OGOS.
Oh, I think this is okay.
Okay, so I accept this suggestion. Yeah. Any other changes? Yeah, I just keep this suggestion because there are some comments for this video. Yeah, I'd like to describe this change. Previously, I described that regarding this 3 delegate authorization, workload 1 acting as the PDP delegates the authorization decision to the PDP and enforce the PDP decision to accept or deny the request. But this is addressing the Omri's comment that where is the he said about this PDP requirements that regarding the log all authorization enforcement, this is typically the PDP, not to the PDP. Yeah. So I'd like to yeah, this is just a question for him that I think how the PDP enforces the authorization decision after receiving it will ultimately be important for information in the investigation monitoring. And regarding to number 2, I'm not sure what reality. Yeah, this is the one reason for the changing the reconstruct this section that regarding PP is just a role and not an instance. So we delete this PP instance redundant requirements and just add this common requirements and redundant all components. I'm recommended to all components redundant. Yeah, that is just one change. Where is the PV? And number 3, cache authorization decisions. Yeah, that is again typical PDP does this, but Yeah. According to Naomori's opinion, I will consider casting authorization decision at the PDP, casting them at PDP. And this is both this one, and this is not. Where is the Omori's? Or maybe that is for the figure, I think. Yeah, here. Isn't the whole point of issuing a workload identity so that we can pass the workload identity? Yeah. There are several confusion about that. So here, what is the user identity and what is from the user identity and what is from the workload identity? So I'd like to clarify that like this. Send the user identity from the access token together with the requested resource and action to the PDP, and the PDP returns an authorization decision which workload one enforces, like that. And also the same change here. And regarding the use case of number one, that is not from the access token, but from the ID token, session or access token. And together with the requested resource and action to the PDP, and then PDP returns an authorization decision which workload one enforces. Yeah, like this. Do you have any opinion about here?
I think this is good. We can go with this.
About hierarchy?
I think that's good too.
Okay. So just accept this change. Also here. Yep. And other change. And just for information to the Hiroyuki, and regarding this figure, Maya says that reiterating from above, SPIFFE server and SPIFFE agent are actually Spire concept. So Spire server and Spire agent, but it's unclear if you want to be opinionated about recommending Spire. I think what you want here would be a single box called SPIFFE workload here. Yeah. That is one opinion. And yeah, maybe that is reference for, yeah.
I think we discussed before.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, but just 3 minutes after here. So if you any idea, please chat with us in the Slack channel or direct messages. And this is the kind of that what is workload identity, what is user identity, and SBIT establishes, to clarify that, SBIT establishes the workload identity of workload 1 and workload 2 via the MTLS connection. And also here, I added that in this pattern, workload identity is obtained from the SBIT, while user identity and authorization context are carried in the internal access token. Yeah. Evan and Omori, wonder why we need internal access token and MTLS and what is for each asset. So yeah, we clarify like this. What do you think about these two?
Yeah, it's okay. We should add this.
How about Yuki?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so I have this suggestion. And also, this is the same changes. Yeah, 1 minute left, so I'd like to finish this meeting. Thank you for attending this meeting. And yeah, these are the tasks for you too, and maybe I possibly assign other tasks for you. But yeah, I'd like to respond comments one by one. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Do you guys have any other themes?
That is all from my end, but I think we have already updated the version. This was as
Yes,
per
yes.
Kyohei's comment, right? Update the version.
That is already addressed. So
Yeah, this is done.
no tasks for them. Yeah. Yeah, this means done. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'd like to finish this meeting. Thank you for attending. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Right, thank you.